Nobody talks about why the first person to notice always gets removed. You see, the numbers don't add up. You see the people getting promoted for loyalty, not results. You see it first. That's your first mistake. You think seeing makes you valuable. It doesn't. It makes you dangerous. Systems built on loyalty over competence don't reward the truth. They punish it. The hierarchy isn't built on merit. It's built on who said yes first. And the moment you name what's wrong, you become the problem. Not the incompetence, not the theft. You, the one who said it out loud. Here's how it works. Leadership is in. They hired people they could control. Not the best people, the compliant ones, the ones who ask no questions. For years, this works. Mediocrity gets promoted. Real work gets done by the unseen. Then the numbers break. Revenue drops. Clients leave. The decay becomes visible. And now you speak. You show them the data. You point to the pattern. What happens next is not what you expect. You don't get thanked. You get removed, not fired, removed, reassigned, frozen out, slowly buried. Why? Because you expose the rot, and the rot is the hierarchy. The people at the top can't admit they built it wrong, so they blame the whistler. You're disloyal. You're not a team player. You think you're smarter than everyone. The narrative is built before you speak. The machinery is already turning against you. This is where most people break. They fight back. They try to convince. They waste 2 years fighting a game that was rigged before they entered. But there's another way. Stoicism has an answer. It's not comfort, it's clarity. You cannot control what the system does. You can control what you do inside it. The first person to notice dies first, so don't be first. Be silent. Watch, document. Wait, let others see the same pattern. Let them speak first. When 3 people say it, it's a pattern. When you say it alone, it's an accusation. By the time the system collapses, you're not the one who broke it. You're the survivor. They'll ask you later, why didn't you warn us? The answer is simple. I did. You weren't listening. You were defending the people in charge. Systems that choose loyalty over competence always collapse. Not maybe, always. Your job is to survive it. Not fix it, survive it. Don't be the first to see.